At Western Supreme Rooter, we feel that it's very important to be proactive with planning for an earthquake. One of the things that we can help you with is installing an emergency gas shutoff valve. This gas shutoff valve activates and shuts off your home or business natural gas supply line in a 5.4 earthquake or greater. This gives you a peace of mind and safety for your family, and this is why we recommend installing an earthquake gas shutoff valve for your loved ones. You're not going to remember to go outside and shut off your gas. This valve will automatically shut off the gas at the meter, protecting loved ones in your home during an earthquake. This is endorsed by the City of Los Angeles and JAPA. During a 5.4 or greater earthquake, the valve will activate and it will shut off the gas at the meter. Give us a call and we can install your valve today.